Hello. In this session, we will learn about another absence plan for no entitlement. So this, let's navigate to absence plan here. So no entitlement, basically what it says is, it's not entitled for leave. It's an unpaid leave. You don't accrue this based on the months you work, or you're not entitled based on the event. It's still configured, it's still created as an absence plan and tracked for the reporting purposes. We need to know that this plan is on leave and it is an unpaid leave. So to track that in the system, we have this unpaid no entitlement absence plan. So how do you configure this absence plan? It's going to be very quick because there's not much thing that you have to configure. This is the simplest one. You just say that there is this absence plan, which is no entitlement, and there isn't any pattern for this, unlike we have it for approval and then qualification. So here, there are certain fields which you may see which are not functionally relevant, I would say. I'll say which of them. So here we have to give what is uh, what is the absence plan name and description. And then legislative data will be got to choose with status. So here, like I was saying, this field wouldn't serve any purpose. So it's still there because of the Oracle UI framework. Certain fields are shared across different plans. So this is one. And if you want to have this as, this is actually useful. If you want which schedule you wanted to apply this override. If you want if there is a separate work schedule or a secondary schedule, and if you want to apply this absences on that schedule, you can select it. If not, you can just leave it as blank. Plan term is similar to accrual plan. You either have calendar year or anniversary year. It's just for the tracking purposes. So it's an unpaid leave. Okay, or you can either track it yearly basis or from the date of file. We mostly have it as a yearly calendar year. I'll just keep this. And then if I go to the second tab, we have enrollment start date and end date rule, similar to what we have it in, for accrual plans. Though it's not going to approve, we will just keep it as of event. That is, whenever they take the absence from until when they take. So that's going to be their enrollments. We will just keep it as it is. We don't really have to use the formula, but still we have this option in case there are such requirements. And we have this balance disposition rules. It's not useful. You don't see the fields as well, but still it is there. It's because of the UI, we have this, but you don't see on termination, nothing, you have to see it here. You can attach who would be the eligible for this unpaid leave. For testing purpose, I'll just give a test eligibility profile. And then we'll move ahead with the third tab, which is entries and balances. The entries and balances, which is mostly for the payment. Since this is of unpaid leave, you don't see any of this useful. It's still the rate definition in case for if there is any monetary impact. In such cases, there are cases where you could attach the rate definitions as well, but mostly, no, we don't do this. If you want this unpaid days details to move into payroll, then you can integrate into the payroll module. Other adjustment, we don't use it. I don't see the use case for using this other adjustment. We usually use it for accrual plan because if we wanted to pass additional adjustment days, then we make use. But here I don't see the use. So for most of the no entitlement which I have created, I haven't used any of this functionality, but still these fields are still there. Okay. So that was about the no entitlement leave. The session was short because the concept itself, we have very less about the no entitlement. It's no entitlement is nothing but there is no entitlement, which is equivalent to unpaid leaves. So hope this session was helpful to understand about this absence plan. We will meet again in another interesting session. Thank you.